Hello students, welcome to today's class Mathematics class 9th and 10th. Here we are going to learn the chapter polynomials. It is in the third chapter in 10th class and second chapter in 9th class. Before we going to learn polynomials, let us a brief recall. See this slide. What are they? Yes, they are numbers. We have been using uh, from primary classes. They have fixed value, therefore they are called constants. Variable is a literal that can take any value of given number of sets in the given problem are called variables. Generally variables are letters in English alphabet we have been using in maths. And terms is a constant or a variable called terms, or product of constant and variable is also called a term. Product of two more terms are also called term. So here a is a term, minus 5 is a term, and 7p square q r is also a term. And expression, a single term or more terms combined with addition and subtraction are called expression. Generally expressions are two types, that is numerical expressions and another one is algebraic expression. Numerical expressions is only having only numbers with the plus and minus symbols, combined with plus and minus symbols. Here is examples. An expression containing at least one variable is called an algebraic expressions. Examples also. First only single term, second one is two terms, third one is four terms, fourth one is three terms, and fifth one also two terms. Here coefficient and degree. Take some examples. 3xyz is a term, 3 is coefficient of xyz, and powers of the variables xyz sum is 3, therefore degree of 3 is. The second expression has two terms. First one is 4x square and second one is minus 1. In the first term coefficient is x square is 4, degree is 2. Degree of minus 1 there is no variable, therefore it taken the degree as 0. Here what is a polynomial? A polynomial is an expression containing the sum of a finite number of terms of the form a into x power n. For a real number a not equals to 0 and n is a whole number. Look at the examples. All they have the powers are whole numbers. In 4 polynomials, variables having the powers as whole numbers, so they are called polynomials. Look at some problems which has given in the textbook. State which of the following are polynomials and which are not. Give reasons. First example, first problem, 4x square plus 5x minus 2. So here the expression has three terms. First term is 4x square, so degree is 2. Second term is 5x, degree is 1 because x the power is 1. Third term is 2, there is no variable, therefore degree is 0. 0, 1 and 2 are whole numbers. It can be written as in mathematical symbol 0, 1, 2 belongs to w. So the given expression is a polynomial. See the second one, 2x square plus 3 by x minus 5. First term is 2x square, degree is x has the power 2, therefore degree is 2. Second term 3 by x, x is in the denominator, it can be written as the numerator, the power is negative number, so minus 1. Degree of third term is 0. Here 0, 2 are whole numbers but minus 1 is integer, therefore 2x square plus 3 by x minus 5 is not a polynomial. look at other example. Here is root x, an expression. Root x means x power 1 by 2. So power is 1 by 2, therefore degree of the term, the given term is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a rational number, therefore root expression root x is not a polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? Look at a degree of polynomial is the highest power of its variable terms is called degree of the polynomial. Example, root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 has 3 terms. Degree of the terms successively, first term 2 degree, second term degree 1, third term degree is 0. Highest degree is 2, therefore the degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay, solve first exercise problems. Okay, thank you.